Paano picture yan? What's up? Wow!
Okay din yung seller? Maganda na yung seller?
Saan yan, tamad ah?
Ganun pa rin.
By the bonds, eh?
Yeah.
Magkalang entrance?
Ganun pa rin, libre, pag may password.
Oh,
we're going to seller?
Ano password sa ano?
Si Rolando na naman.
Ronaldo?
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 Ronaldo pala.
Sa labas, Ronaldo.
Ronaldo, di ba?
Yeah. Oh guys, I'm gonna turn.
Pareho lang naman, di ba? 1 week, isang password lang yun, di ba? From Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Yeah, Thursday to Saturday.
It's same password. Sometimes, pareho pa. The following week, pareho din. Tulad nung yung New Year.
Meron ba diba the same password, diba?
Tell me, what do you think about the girls on Soundbar, man?
Girls? Oh yeah. Just thinking about it, guys. I like guys.
Just think about it, guys.
Right timing.
Thinking about it, guys.
Hey, right timing at the right time. Right timing at the right time.
Wow.
Is it 10 minutes?
Let's go, guys. Come on.
Come on, man. Don't be camera shy.
Camera's still on.
Don't be camera shy, baby.
It's Blackjack's Day tomorrow.
It's your birthday day, man.
Martin
Come on.
Luther King.
It's my holiday.
It's your holiday. Martin Luther King.
Luther King. Father of the bride.
Alam ko na pasok bukas.
All in na.
Akala ko holiday mo, tapos ngayon magkukuloyin ka na.
All in ako.
Kuloyin nga sa kasi yung holidays kayo.
Forget my work.
Puntahan ka na holiday everyday.
Para maging Benny ka na dyan, ha?
Puta, magano ka naman? Ano mo yung sa akin?
Wala, tahimik sila eh. Wala silang
Grace, puta.
No. Ray.
What's up, Ray?
Wala na, ebidensya na naman yan. Ebidensya na naman yan. Ilagay pa naman sa Friendster yan. Ilagay pa naman sa Friendster.
Shit. What's up, Chris?
Sidog,
Sidog.
what can you say about...
About your girl.
What can you say about your girl, man?
I love her. Parang mo lang.
Forget my girlfriend.
Fuck that shit.
You have a girlfriend, man?
To me?
Yeah.
Oh, I got a lot of girlfriends.
Girlfriend. Put S. Wala, ba't hindi ba singular lang yan? Ba't hindi plural? Wrong grammar, baby.
Oh, Tommy, it's already 10 minutes.
Let's go, guys.
Let's go where?
Somewhere.
Somewhere.